Hey everybody, welcome out to here in my backyard in my garden. We got a little bit of rain finally coming in. We've been needing a little bit. So what I want to talk about today, more importantly, about growing your own food as well as growing your own animals. And you can see back here them running around. We hatched out some chicks about, oh my goodness, probably 30 days or so, and we decided to grow some ducks as well. I just picked them up at a local store in town, Tractor Supply, some mallard ducks, and we hatched out another batch of, due to inconsistencies with the brooder not keeping consistent temperature, we did lose some eggs, and we've actually got that situation fixed now. So this next batch, we're only going to do about 10 more. I think we're going to be at a good point where we got I want to say like 24 hatched out, and we're going to replace some of our egg layers, but we're also going to be raising some of these as meat birds as well. You know, prices of food is pretty expensive, and now we just want to be able to secure our own, not having to worry about if we're going to make it from week to week, which me and my wife don't eat beef or pork due to the fact that I did have a stroke a couple of years ago, and due to cholesterol issues, it's something I made as a personal choice to get away from. And we still eat chicken, fish, we eat a lot of beans. Beans are really high in protein, so importantly is take care of your health. Do what's best for you. A lot of these videos we do are suggestions to stuff that maybe we have done or stuff we have researched on in order to try to help out people in the community. So, but as you can see, let me try to see if I can get a little bit better focus on the, keep the camera right there. You can see the birds running around in the background. We built this a couple of afternoons ago. At first we were keeping them in the house, and as you know, ducks and birds, chickens in general, are not as bad, but ducks can get pretty nasty when it comes to that. They have to be in water consistently all the time to keep their nose clean and clean out their gullet, because they don't produce saliva like most animals. So that's how they keep themselves clean and refreshed. So yeah, we did some research on that and found out some information about the ducks. That's something we intended to start doing, and actually getting duck eggs, because they're a little bit better protein. I've heard from a lot of people they're better for baking as well. But yeah, in general, you know, I just want to do this video. This is the first time you're going to be seeing my face on video. Most time I'm shooting from behind the camera, and I just get detailed straight to the point. But you know, if there's something that you're interested in that we do out here that you enjoy, you know, leave a post in the comments, and yeah, even tell us where you're from. I like to meet people in general. I'm going to be doing more of these longer videos here in the future, along with the shorts that I put up, and I hope you enjoy the content. If you do like this, you know, you want to subscribe to the channel, great. If you just want to leave a like, that's fine too. Or if you just want to watch the video and move on, that's fine with me. But I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we're going to be making some more real soon.